And what I want to do is talk about what's happened, assess those developments and what it may mean for... But looking through everything, surveys are pointing to effectively no growth in the second quarter in the UK. And that suggests, to me at least, that there's something else going on, and that part of that something else could be negative spillovers from this drag from a weaker globe. In my view, the underlying growth in the United Kingdom is currently running below its rate of potential, and it's increasingly reliant on the resilience of household spending. We projected that global growth would stabilize before recovering. The intensification of these global trade tensions have increased the downside risks to both UK and global growth. And just to put some numbers around it and sort of recap what I was saying with the various calculations. The direct effects of these measures is pretty marginal for the UK, a little less, about 0.1%. And that's partly because we will benefit from lost trade between the US and China over time. If all the measures come in place, it becomes more significant, about 0.4%. And if that Brexit-style confidence effects were to take place between businesses in US and China, the total impact starts to be material at over 1% of UK GDP. Bank of England estimates are that these measures will... For now, both a global trade war and a no-deal Brexit remain possibilities. They're not certainties. And the way we conduct policy today is we have to deal with the impact of the uncertainty around those events and how they influence the behavior of households and businesses and financial markets. On the global economy. Over the past year, the global economy has shifted from a... Well, most importantly, we'll make a detailed assessment of these global factors and their potential implications of that sea change for the UK economy. What I've sought to illustrate is that whether current trade tensions shipwreck the global economy or prove to be a tempest in a teacup, they will have important influence on the outlook for growth and inflation in the United Kingdom. That's as close to central bank humor you're gonna get.
Everything you've done to rise to these challenges and to help.
However these external tensions evolve, however Brexit unfolds, we will respond. We will respond to any material change in the outlook. We'll adjust policy in the appropriate direction as required to bring inflation back to target, its 2% target, while supporting jobs and activity in this most important transition for the people of the United Kingdom. Thank you very much for your attention. I'm happy to take some questions. This summer, 5 of which are in Dorset, so